Let's learn how to create a Google form. First step first, make sure that everything is working properly on your device and that you are connected to the internet. Next step is to open the browser of your liking. In this case, I will use Opera GX, but you can use any browser you like. Now you need to type in Google Drive, which will lead you to New Page. Now you can either click on the first link or go to the 9 dots in top right corner. After opening the drive, next step is to go to the option New, where you can see the plus. Now choose the Google form. In my case, everything is in Serbian language, but you will notice it because Google form got that purple icon. After opening that, you will be in your form, which you can adjust to your liking, add and remove questions and others. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.